got it. Okay, perfect. So yeah, you have sufficient time, but yeah, so you start preparing right now, so it would be, you would be able to do it within a year. Of course, that
Mm-hmm.
takes that time. That's the reality of this exam. That takes this much time. And because we are targeting the CLB 7, that was specific CLB 7 does take a little more time. Otherwise,
Mm-hmm.
CLB 5 is something that you can get in 4 to 5 months of time if you're learning it. So, do you work there or like you are working somewhere in there?
I am working, I'm in a full-time job. I'm a sales manager, retail sales manager with the Body Shop.
Okay.
And I'm in Calgary right now.
Okay. Perfect. So yeah, so considering you as a full-time worker, like in a job, so it would be better if become a join a regular batch that goes for 1 hour per day and 5 days a week. So kind of there, you know, we keep the pace very moderate and not like fast track matches where we run a lot of things in a single class. We teach a lot of things in a
Okay.
single class, and it would go like 2 hours a day. Long classes would be there in fast track. So yeah, uh, if I'm clear with this thing, like there is two batches. The one is regular, the another one is the fast track. And I think understanding your needs, it would be suitable if you go in the regular one, as I think. So yeah, perfect. So apart from that, this demonstration, I'm going to explain you about the TCF patterns, and give you a mini lesson so that you can understand how do we teach the language. And if if you want to like really see how real class goes, you want to see exactly how from inside it look like. So you can go to YouTube and search our videos. Some of the regular lessons we have uploaded on YouTube. I mean 5 or 10. I don't know exactly numbers, but some of them are there. You can just see it exactly how it goes in the real class. So yeah. Apart from that, this demo I'm going to teach you a mini lesson. Considering you are an absolute beginner, I'm going to start with a very basic, simple topic. Maybe some numbers, some French expressions, French alphabets, which are very important. So as you know, this French language is phonetically very different. You might have heard some expression being in Canada. It's very normal
Yeah.
that you must be listening these sounds. Bonjour, je
Yeah.
m'appelle, arrête, ouvrir, all these expressions. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
all these words. So it's rather more easy for you to learn this language once you are there in their zone, and you just need some assistance to move it forward. That's not difficult. So in India, it would be rather more difficult to learn French. In Canada, it would be rather simpler. Kind of there would be environment around you, doing the same,
Mm-hmm.
speaking the same language. So no parle français. They must be saying that we speak French, and now you are just going to learn with them, join them. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
learning a French, this language is a very nice experience. For me, it was so, and for many others, like I'm teaching, and they are, enjoying these classes. So yeah, let me start with the lesson. Too much talking, and let's directly go with the some topic. Uh,
Okay.
just let me share my screen. I'll turn off my camera. Share the
Sure.
screen with you. I hope you can see my screen.
I can.
Perfect. Yeah, so about the TIFF exam pattern, this exam, yeah, for TIFF exam, it's around, for reading and writing, reading and listening section, these two sections, you can see up above are
Mm.
basically MCQ based sections where you just get a question with four options, choose one of them. So
Okay.
60 minutes, 40 questions. Why the time is little more here is because you have to read some text and then
Mhm.
answer some questions.
Okay.
Why less time in the listening? Just 40 minutes, 40 questions. You can assume that, yeah, listening takes little lesser time, right?
Okay.
Listening the audio for 15 seconds or 20 seconds and then answering questions in next 1 minute, okay? So complete 1 minute you get for a question for listening. So here it's rather more 1.5 minutes probably in and around for each of the questions in reading.
Mm-hmm.
And about writing, there would be 60 minutes of time for two tasks given, two questions, and writing two different, letters or passages based on,
Mm-hmm.
first one would be easy, second. So just like IPS writing, similar to that at least.
Mm-hmm.
So now speaking pattern here, you will have to speak for 15 minutes, and it's a dialogue. It's not a monologue thing. You can see that TCF exam has only this 12 minute of time, but the problem
Mm-hmm.
is that it's a monologue. So here you continuously speak for this 12 minutes, and
Mm-hmm.
the interviewer does not generally interrupt you in between. So basically, yeah, the monologue becomes little difficult for beginners or
Mm-hmm.
but it's anyways almost the same thing. What is it? But many prefer to give tape for others to save. So yeah, this is the pattern you can see.
Okay.
Perfect. So here also 15 minutes, two questions, very
Mm-hmm.
simple questions. First intro and second about some theme, environment, politics, economy, some
Okay.
technological developments.
Mm-hmm.
And already like of course there is no negative marking so in this exam, so we'll be
Okay.
attempting all the questions.
Okay.
And this validity for this certification is 2 years. Listening career and reading career, you have MCQ pattern that you need to keep in mind. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay, I have the question, but you won't be able to understand. So I will not explain the questions exactly because
Mm-hmm.
they are in French, of course.
Yeah.
So yeah, for TIFF exam, there are different type of TCF exam also if you are taking TCF. So what we are preparing for is basically TCF exam, TCF Canada exam, or TIFF
Mm.
Canada exam. So this is for immigration purpose or citizenship of Canada,
Okay.
Canadian PR, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so if you are trying to get almost 50 scores that need that requires that you get at least CLB 7. And these
Mm-hmm.
are the scoring board, like how much numbers or scores you have to get this CLB 7. CLB 7 is basically it's nothing different. It's a Canadian language benchmark, right? Just like IELTS numbers are given like 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just like
Mm-hmm.
that, the same numbering is scoring, the higher is better.
Yeah.
So 699, and here you get 434 upper intermediary. You can see the numbers like out of 700 you get this
Okay.
434, 699 and not 700, but yeah, 428 for writing out of this 699, and listening
Mm-hmm.
you need 434. For speaking you need 456. You can see that what is higher here. You need more marks to get
Mm-hmm.
it upper ladder while for the speaking section, but it's still
Mm-hmm.
not that difficult because you only have to speak for 15 minutes, and that too with a dialogue with the interviewer. You just
Mm-hmm.
speak for 10 to 12 minutes only.
Mm.
ये सारी चीजें not that tough. It's only once you do it in a very planned manner, very decided manner. Yeah, these are the range, and this is the lesser, the lower side. So you can get within this band and get the CLB 7 for reading. You get this within this band, you get the B2
Mm-hmm.
for B2 or CLB 7 for this writing, and listening, and the speaking. So CLB 7 is basically what matches with the B2 of European unions, like common European framework. So once you
Okay.
start with A1, you move towards A2, then B1, then B2. So basically, this is B2 where you basically, Canadian government count it as CLB 7, matches with
Okay.
that. But apart from that, there's C1, there's C2, right? They are super advanced level in the language. So A1, A2, B1, B2. So B1, B2 is basically upper intermediary level. You become
Oh.
expert of the language. You can speak on any topic, even debate on some any
Mm-hmm.
topics or have discussions on it. Or this C1, C2 is kind of, C2 is a native level proficiency that you hold in a language, any piece of
Mm-hmm.
European language. All the European languages are like, even German, Spanish, Italian, basically divided in these lines only.
Mm-hmm.
They have standardized it for Europe at least. So yeah,
Okay.
so this is the exam pattern. I hope it's clear, or if you have anything to ask.
So how much time does it usually take for a beginner to get a hold of the language? Like, are 6 months enough?
Yeah, till B2, if you're saying, yeah, we can go around B2 in 6 to 8 months, doing it
Okay.
regularly. So, for example, if you are doing, reading for 20 hours a week, it will
Mm-hmm.
take around, 8 to 9 months only to finish this
Okay.
reading. Yes. And if you are, doing it like full time, reading it for 5, 7 hours per day, full time job kind of setup, just for
Mm-hmm.
reading, so it would be a different case. So, yeah, like you need just a kind of, almost. only 4 to 5 months to maybe make this up. In that case, that exceptional case I'm talking about, yeah. Basically
Okay.
you read for full time, you take classes and go and revise and do homework, 5 7 hours of study each day, so around 30
Mm-hmm.
40 hours per week.
Mm-hmm.
So that is a different thing. So once you are working, so it would not be possible for for you to go in that way, and that's fine. So general tendency यही है कि लोग, the people, they take this much time at least. That's the ideal thing,
Mm-hmm.
that you should go in that way. Okay, ठीक है. तो प्रेक्षा, I would start with a mini lesson.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the first topic I would start would be learning alphabets, right? Or maybe numbers also. Numbers we also can do, but
Okay.
first alphabet. So basically, l'alphabet, say in French, this word is written in French and it means the alphabet, right?
Okay.
So apostrophe alphabet. We don't pronounce this T. The first rule, that it's very general rule, not always applied, but generally, majority of the time this is correct. That generally a consonant at the end does not pronunciation in a word. Okay,
Okay.
at end. Okay, what? So basically, if I write alphabet, it would be read like alphabet only, alphabet.
Okay.
Okay, so it does impact the sound of this letter. Okay, means the
Mm-hmm.
previous, but it itself does not get pronounced completely, or maybe
Okay.
it's silent. So partial impact it does give on the sentence.
Mm-hmm.
Without T, this word would sound like alpha,
Mm-hmm.
but with this T, it sound like alphabet.
Mm-hmm.
So it does have its impact, but as a we think it's silent, but yeah, and it is silent word, but it's giving its impact already in the word. So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's there, it's existing. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's start with the alphabets and Roman script. Now you must be knowing it has Roman script in the
Okay.
same letter as English, same
Okay.
script. So 26 letters again, and but the phonetics, the pronunciation you have to learn is a very different.
Okay.
Let me write the letters. Wait, wait, X. Okay, let's start with first letter.
Mm-hmm.
So the very first one is basically A, A.
Okay.
Second one is B,
Mm-hmm.
B.
Mm-hmm.
Then the third one is C. Wait, can you pronounce it? How to read this?
A, B, C.
Okay. So मेरे साथ ही practice करते रहो, like just go through it और याद रहेगा. A, B, C, D.
D.
It's D, do,
D. Okay.
dal, do.
The. Okay.
Say it.
They.
D. Okay. Perfect. And this is U.
A.
Right? With a rounded mouth, you say O, O, O.
Okay.
So it's not O at all. It's O only. O.
Okay.
This one is F.
F.
This one is J.
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 Mm,
Zebra. J.
okay.
Then Ash.
Ash.
silent letter is words में you'll never pronounce it silent. Ash.
Okay.
Then next one is E,
E.
and then this one is G. तो आपने
G.
देखा कि J को भी है pronouncing as Z and Z is pronounced as J. Kind of
Okay.
exchange you see,
Okay.
but they are not exactly simple G. This is J, J, J,
J.
and this is not simple G. It's G, G.
G. Okay.
Okay. Then next one is K,
K.
L, M, N, O, P, and this one is little tricky. It's Q, L को अगर silent रखे तो screw, screw.
Q.
Yeah.
Okay.
Q, Q.
Q.
So ये कू जो है ना हिंदी में हम लोग यूज करते हैं कू, not exactly this कू, or not at all a Q.
Hmm.
It's in
Oh.
between that. जैसे you know you say it's cool, right? It's cool.
Hmm.
That first
Cool.
part of cool,
Okay.
cool.
Cool.
Yes. Then next one is
Hmm.
er.
Air.
Yes. So उसी का थोड़ा सा you know आपको डीपर बोलना है और you know from your people out it's er,
L.
er,
Okay.
er. Okay. H. So
Air.
yeah. ठीक है कोई नहीं वो आ जाएगा. That would be normal. So and then S, T,
Okay.
and then U.
U.
Sort of. अब सारे सेंटेंस जैसे Q और U को एक ही जैसे बोलते हैं जनरली. ये Q and U दो जो expressions है ना, ये
Hmm.
sound like you know saying ये इंटरनेशनल पॉलिटिक्स साउंड है. हम लोग U जैसा बोलते हैं similar to you. So
Hmm.
we both of them are kind of pronounced as U only. So this one is she, he, and this one is he, she, he, you, you, he, 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 he. Got it?
Hmm. Okay.
So ये practice खुद से like you do it at your home, you know. She,
Oh.
you try to find the difference. Which one is you? Which one is she, you, he, you, he. Simple
Hmm.
practice है, you know, you'll be able to understand and will pronounce them much better.
Okay.
Okay, so next is simply way.
W.
And this one is W.
W.
W means
Double V.
double V, right? यहाँ पे double V दिख रहे हैं.
हाँ जी.
Okay. X.
X.
Okay. Z. Perfect. X
Oh.
Y Z.
Z.
दो Z.
Okay.
So ये लेटर से एक बार फिर से पढ़ते हैं. So
Hmm.
A,
A.
B.
B.
अच्छा आप
C.
पढ़ो मैं बताऊंगा. हाँ.
A. B. C. D. A. F.
Of.
G.
It's of, not it. It's of.
F. Okay. F. G. H. E.
Okay.
G.
Yes.
K. L. Is it L or
Al.
L?
Al, right? Al. E-L. Al.
Okay. L. N. O. P. Q. R. S. Is it S or us?
As a plus a.
Okay, us. Uh, Te, you, uh,
It's you. ओके मैं दिखाता हूँ एक सेकंड छोड़ो बाकी बाकी जस्ट कंप्लीट वे
वे, W,
डुबल वे
X,
इट्स डुबल वे
W,
यस
X, uh, I,
इग्रेक यस
Y. Okay, and Z.
जेड
Hmm.
ठीक है वन से एक और हाँ just- let me just explain how to say Q and U. Okay? So that the first, which is Q in English, we say in French, basically keeping our mouth in a circle place. And tongue forward, pushing tongue forward while I'm saying it. So, Q, Q, Q,
Q,
not Q. It's only pushing the word forward, just pressing it. Q, Q,
Q,
yeah.
Q. Hmm.
अभी circle आप mouth को change करो. We are not speaking from our throat. It's just this lips. Nothing else. It's
Okay,
just lips. U, U,
Q,
and U. Yeah. U is the different U. I'm saying. So it's Q, Q. Okay. Key कैसे बोलते हो आप ये बताओ मुझे. Key.
Key,
Key now ठीक है key and now if I say key plus key key
Q.
yeah then
Not
not complete key u but a shorter a crisper one key
Q,
not q
Q.
इसको crisp
Not
रखो
Q.
बहुत crisp it's very short key key वो प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे मैं बताऊंगा ठीक
ठीक है.
जैसे बोले इट्स कूल इट्स कूल को कैसे बोलते हो फुल फ्रेंच एक्सेंट इंग्लिश एक्सेंट लेडीज के साथ
Cool.
it's cool, right? They say it's cool, or rather more faster. Americans they say it's cool. So that cool, what we are taking from, it's cool that we are taking. Not saying cool. It's not cool. It's cool. It's cool.
Hmm.
Okay, and the U, the last one, the U one is basically G. Again मैं इस lips को थोड़ा सा rounded रखूंगा और tongue को यहाँ पे bottom teeth की तरफ push करते हैं and then say G G
U,
G
U,
बाहर एकदम जैसे फ्लश कर देना उसको दोबारा आना नहीं जस्ट वंस एंड फिनिश यू 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 यू
U,
जैसे
U.
यू वर्ड है ना यू आर माय फ्रेंड
Hmm.
दैट यू को हमने यहाँ पे थोड़ा और क्रिस्प रखा है सेम सर्कल माउथ एंड दैट साउंड कम्स so ये
Okay.
दोनों sounds are very strange very new to you you never knew this as of before this day so ये मैं
Yeah.
समझता हूँ कि of course it's a very tough you are like child to these words you know nothing about this. So yeah, I
Hmm.
understand that. But धीरे धीरे like once you're trying these multiple times, multiple attempts, you will get this because ये new sound है ये बच्चों की तरह सीखना होगा. It's like it's learning from
Okay.
zero. So yeah, that's not an issue. वो आपको zero से ही सीखना होगा.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Apart from that, once you know how to basically how these alphabets are being pronounced in French, I hope you would be able to understand. At least able to read the French text within there. For example, if I write some of the text. So for example, if I write here uh, this word here in French, so how would you read it? How would you read it?
Which word?
Can you? Oh, sorry, I have not shared my screen. I'm really sorry.
That's okay.
Here, I have written AMI. You have to read it in French.
Uh, Ami.
Ami, right?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect, perfect. So Ami means friend. Did you know this word earlier also? Like,
No, I did not.
So you exactly pronounce what how it should be, right? So
Mm,
now you can understand the value, the importance of learning these. You
yeah.
know, even though I didn't tell you how to read it, so ये इतना simple है French reading, right? अब मैं बताता हूँ, like read this one. Uh, मैं कुछ simple लिखना चाहता हूँ. I'm trying to just keep it very simple. Take the help of you know the alphabets that you know, just the help of what is it?
Selassie?
So it's go. C is go actually. Right? Here it's go. Down
Okay.
से दिए अगर स पढ़ना होता तो there would be से दिए, right? So that becomes so. So you know this expression beneath C. So that I'll be teaching you later. Makes sense? But it's ko la. Then this one
Say.
y a.
Mm-hmm.
Why this a here? A reason for this.
The E?
E को क्या पढ़ते हैं?
A?
O. Okay, okay. Let me show you. क्या पढ़ते हैं E को? Here.
Okay.
It's O. It's not
Mm-hmm.
E at all.
Mm-hmm.
और आई भी कभी आई नहीं, ये सारे वर्ड्स यू नो ये सारे वोवेल्स चेंज हो चुके हैं, राइट? अब आपको ये सारे वोवेल्स को एक न्यू व्यू मिलेगा, राइट? ऑल दीज वोवेल्स,
Mm-hmm.
सो 6 ऑफ देम आर देयर. आ, ओ, ई, ओ, जी, y.
Okay.
देयर आर 6 वोवेल्स एंड ये वोवेल्स को आपको ज्यादा फोकस करना है. यू हैव टू लर्न दीज फर्स्ट, बाकी नेचुरली यू कैन रीड इट. So if I say this E, this is only, right? E. So
Mm-hmm.
how would you read it, man?
Class.
Perfect.
Class.
Okay,
Yeah.
class. So it's la class. Correct, la class. So do class.
Okay.
Okay. If I say L apostrophe because a vowel, right? I cannot write law. So E would be removed. Two vowel cannot come together with the article space. So I would
Oh,
rather write it like writing L apostrophe Ami, and it will become the friend Lami.
okay. Okay.
Get it? Okay. मैं कुछ और simple. Can you read it?
Original.
थोड़ा सा ध्यान से फिर से repeat once more.
Original.
Original, right?
Original.
एंड
Okay.
और आर को भी थोड़ा और प्रोनाउंस अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. यू आर नॉट यू नो कंप्लीटली सेइंग इट. ओरिजिनल, ओरिजिनल.
Original.
यस, परफेक्ट. ओके, नाउ ये फ्रेंच टेक्स्ट पढ़ो. दिस इज अ कंट्री, नेम ऑफ अ कंट्री.
La France.
इट्स नॉट ला फ्रांस, इट्स आ plus n becomes nasal with a vowel. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
nasal no sound. France, France.
France. La France.
आर को भी पढ़ना है. France, France.
La France.
How do you say frank? Frankly speaking.
Frank.
So frank, franc.
Fa.
R को कैसे छोड़ सकते हैं? Franc,
Okay.
France, la, France. If I say France, ro.
France. Okay.
So it's ons,
Okay.
nasal. So yeah, थोड़ा बहुत और कुछ like I have to teach you. उसके बाद you would be able to read. ये कुछ it's a technical, you know, grammatical, phonetical mixing जो है थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ाना है. But apart from
Okay.
that, basic you can read. ठीक है. Next word we'll try. Some new. So it's like okay.
Code. Co. Co. The.
Yes, the plus a, the
Co. The.
could version.
Could.
Yes. La Coude Internationale, for example. La Coude Internationale means international court.
Okay.
International.
Mm.
Okay. So, okay, this one. Merci. Sorry, I read it. Sorry.
That's
Thank you. I'll take a new. I'll take a new one. We have a lot of. Try this one.
parley.
ध्यान से पढ़ो आराम से. Parle plus this is
Parlor.
right. Parle. Parle.
Mm-hmm.
So देखो vowel और consonant तो they get mixed up ना together. So simply
Mm-hmm.
ल plus o becomes ल only.
Mm-hmm.
हम लोग हिंदी में पढ़े हम लोग इस संध्या विषय. So that mixing of phonetics between consonant and vowel. So final consonant का word change हो जाता है और इसका जो है later आ जाता है. जैसे for example ल plus o is not ल or o. So it's simply simple one ल. So parle,
Mm-hmm.
right? Parle.
Parlor.
Okay, ये वाला बढ़िया. यहाँ पे R silent है consonant at the end, right?
Parlor.
So R sound silent होते हुए भी this gives impact as this A. So
Mm-hmm.
they are not, even though they are not pronounced, they give their impact on the sound so that you can remember them that they do exist. Otherwise, you would forget them, right? So इसके
Okay.
लिए grammatically there is an impact. Otherwise, R would be dying down in long run. Okay, ये खत्म ही हो जाएगा ना language से. So that
ठीक है.
does impact the sound and gives the sound of A. So parler means to talk,
Okay.
yeah, to speak.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ये वाला word बोलो आप.
Ho- Hotel or L will be silent.
Now L is being pronounced here. You know, exception.
Okay.
So how do you read it?
Hotel.
Why you say hotel?
T is pronounced as
H is silent letter.
okay.
I told you, I think I discussed here. Yeah, H is silent letter, right? In a word.
Okay.
So if it's
Okay.
silent, it would sound like
Hotel.
hotel. And T को तो तब पढ़ते हैं, right? ये मैंने यहाँ भी बताया.
Okay.
So what we do basically, जहाँ भी आपको t दिखता है, right? You see t,
Uh-huh.
right? You say t,
Mm-hmm.
and this is incorrect. You see th, you say th, this is correct. You see the, this is incorrect. You see the. For example, they. That is
Hmm.
like you are saying do or day.
Mm-hmm.
Not that it's simply do or day.
Okay.
So for when you say Travailler, travailler, right, or travailler, it's not that. It's simple travailler, throw.
Okay.
So ये simple soft sounds हैं. Sorry,
Mm-hmm.
simple soft sounds are there to help you understand the language very easily or make the language very beautiful, smooth, and hard sounds
Mm-hmm.
are avoided.
Okay.
Hope it's clear, right? Is this clear?
Tra-
Right?
travail.
Travailler, travail actually.
Travail.
Here L is silent. Travail because it means work, some work, travail. And when you write travail, so the two vowels and double L between two vowels, it's basically silent is also a rule, which means to walk.
Okay.
So you walk, so you would say je travaille, je travaille. I walk there. Je travaille, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And your company's name or your wherever you the place name where you work or company name or a post commune entreprise commune CEO commune manager. come in receptionist. So
Mm-hmm.
whatever word you use. So je
Okay.
travaille, tu travailles, you work, il travaille, he works. See, so pronouns etc. will be there. Later on, so those are the different things. But yeah, as a basic, starting with a basic, this would be sufficient to help you read a lot of the French text, written without accents,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Okay.
I hope you understand the importance of these. So yeah, of course. And
Yeah.
numbers etc. Both are like they are very simple. Numbers in French are the most simplest things available here. So like zero or the numbers भी काट कर सकते हैं. You want to do them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You want to do it? Numbers?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, sure. So let me teach you some basic numbers. And numbers are so simple in French. You just need to learn few of them only, and the rest of will be done automatically.
Okay.
So, les chiffres, or even you can say if you want to keep it more simple as an English speaker, les nombres. So the
Okay.
digits or the numbers. Same.
Okay.
I mean they are not different, but I'm just saying there are two uh, different words that you can use, whichever you want. So les nombres. You need to learn from 0 till 20 first of all, and rest would be automatically done. Okay.
Okay.
Beyond this, basically from 0 till 60, I say speak
Mm.
frankly. So this is the number you need to learn.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start with 0. 0.
Zero
Uh,
and
it's not no, it's nasal.
okay.
The,
The
trois,
Tua,
yes, trois,
Trua
yes. So 0,
and
on देखो जब भी vowel के बाद there is n, right? For example, a n, e n, o
mm,
n, or u n, right? All of them are vowel, you know that, like
yeah.
or e. So you don't pronounce this n. All of them become nasal.
Okay.
They almost sound same, like all of them. All three sound as with the dot, and this
Mm,
sound as with this dot, this dot upon it, nasal. So this no is coming as this dot upon it, जिसको बिंदु हम लोग बोलते हैं हिंदी में, is a nasal sound.
okay.
अभी समझ गए इसे on क्यों नहीं बोलना है, यून क्यों नहीं बोलना है, simply no,
Mm-hmm.
nasal no. So zero,
Zero,
uh,
a,
the,
the,
trois,
Trua,
very good. Then next is Q-U-A-R-E, quatre.
Gatre,
Quatre. This is not Z. Okay, मुझे बड़ा क्यों लिख रहा हूँ? Q-U-A-T-R-E, quatre.
Quatre,
Yeah, quatre. It's not
Quatre,
quatre. It's ka,
Katre.
tra.
Mm,
Only tra, quatre.
okay.
Why you say A? Because you don't still, you are not able to even grasp this E as ये बहुत unique लग रहा होगा. It's very strange to say.
Mm-hmm.
आपको believe ही नहीं हो रहा होगा ये क्या चल रहा है. But
Yeah.
yeah, it is so. It is like that only. ट्रस्ट में ये थोड़ा दिन में ग्रास्प हो जाएगा, थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, बट
Okay.
ये नेचुरल हो जाएगा. वुड बी लाइक आप भी मेरी तरह, मैं भी हिंदी स्पीकर हुआ है, मैं नेटिव हिंदी स्पीकर. सो ये सारी चीजें मैंने भी देखा है, तो इट वुड बिकम अ वेरी नेचुरल थिंग. मुझे भी हर बार ये और ही दिखता है, नॉट ई, सिंपली ओ. ओके,
Oh,
धीरे धीरे वो चीजें ग्रास्प होती है. इवन दो अभी आप समझ नहीं पाओगे, बहुत बार नहीं ला पाओगे प्रैक्टिस में. सैंक,
Sainki,
सैंक, को
Sank,
फाइल्स. ओके, सीस,
Sis.
right? Sis झुकाना, हम लोग बोलते हैं सर झुकाना, sis झुकाना, sis.
Mm,
So this is
mm,
6. Okay. Then this is set.
Sept,
Side. Set.
Set,
Yes.
Oui.
It's silent now. This is the problem with the French. Here and there something is silent, something is not silent,
Yeah.
and yeah. So that problem is not at all a problem. ये इतना natural होगा ना, you will be able to even you would be able to understand कि क्या आप predict भी कर सकते हो कि क्या silent हो सकता है. ये इतना natural हो जाएगा in long run, okay? So
Okay.
जैसे यहाँ पे सीख नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं एक, आप धीरे धीरे इतना नेचुरलाइज हो जाएगा ना चीजें कि क्यों नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, कहाँ नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं, कब नहीं पढ़
Hmm.
रहे हैं, सारी चीजें धीरे धीरे ग्रैस्प होती जाती हैं. यहाँ क्यों
Oh.
पढ़ रहे हैं, यहाँ क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं, कैसे पढ़ रहे हैं, नाजाल में पढ़ रहे हैं. तो बहुत लोग
Hmm.
सोचेंगे कि दिस इज साइलेंट, बट दिस इज नॉट दैट. दिस इज नाजाल, देयर दिस इज देयर इन द साउंड. ये थोड़ी बहुत
Hmm.
एक्सप्लेनेशन you will be able to explain how they work actually. This is breathe.
Hmm.
यहाँ पे
Oui.
T को पढ़ा जा रहा है because exceptionally V does not suit, और H भी silent है तो word meaning में problem हो सकती है, इसलिए
Hmm.
और I के बाद पढ़ सकते हैं T को. exceptionally T को नहीं पढ़ते तो नहीं पढ़ते. Yes, yes. Enough, enough
No.
means time. This one would be
Hmm.
क्या हो सकता है?
Dix.
सिक्स से एक बार कंपेयर करो.
Uh, because E is, yeah,
सीस,
Dix.
इसको मैंने सीस पढ़ा था.
Uh-huh.
इसको
So
D प्लस
Dix.
सीस. So this,
These.
right? Sees this,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Yeah, similar sound. Okay, cool. I'll move ahead with the 11 now.
Mm-hmm.
So it's orange. Okay, orange,
Orange.
use,
Douge.
yes, trace,
Tres.
13. Do's को लोग भूल जाते हैं तो I try to like explain everything. I do's, especially North India
Mm.
mostly. Orange, do's, trace, and 14, 14.
14.
Yes, 14. Okay.
Okay.
So what was the four? Digit four was 4,
Quatre.
and it is 14. It's a
14.
different word, right? It's a different word. 14. Even though based on 4 only. So जहाँ पे there would be 4, you will be seeing a Q there, right? Wherever there
Mm.
would be 3, you will be seeing a T there. जहाँ पे 2 होगा, you will be seeing a D there.
Mm-hmm.
जहाँ भी 1 होगा, you will be seeing E there.
Mm-hmm.
So ये कुछ symptoms हैं, ये जो कि मतलब आप you can learn it, right? These are very simple
Mm-hmm.
tricks. Yeah, okay. तो आप बोलोगे कि सर अगर यहाँ पे 40 है तो क्या कुछ होगा यहाँ पे with a Q? Can you
Mm-hmm.
even predict this, right? So it's very much
Mm-hmm.
predictable that अगर 40 है तो there must be something like Q, U, कातर जैसा कुछ something, कातर, कारोन, ranch, something. Let's see. So it's Q, का, इतना strange नहीं आता चीज, right? 4 is कात्र. So
Mm-hmm.
कात्र, कातोर, and काहोन.
Carhont.
अब देखो 50 को कैसे पढ़ते हैं, मैं बता देता हूँ अभी. सैंक 5 होता है, राइट? दिस इज 5 सैंक.
Mm-hmm.
एंड यहाँ पे सैंकॉन्थ, ऑन एंडिंग होगा सब में वाले डिजिट्स लाइक 15,
Okay.
16 होगा स्वा, सौंत. बस इन्हें याद रखना. 50, 40, 60. ओके, 30 को कैसे पढ़ेंगे ना? 30 यू होगा यहाँ पे टी,
Mm-hmm.
क्योंकि थ्वा में है, थ्रेज में है, तो 30 में भी होना चाहिए थ्वा. 20 इज वेरी स्ट्रेंज. Right? Okay. So okay, let's finish, wrap it up till 16 at least.
Mm-hmm.
Throws and cans. Cans is 15.
Cans.
Yes. And then says
Yes. Okay.
So if we are done with 16 till 16, this part just you add 10 plus 7 will be becoming 17 plus 8 would be becoming 18 plus 9 and then 20 का मैंने बता दिया ऊपर वैन right.
Hmm. Hmm.
It's just addition. How do you say 10? It's this. And how do you
These.
say 7 is set?
Mm-hmm.
Can I say this set or set?
This set.
Can I say this and how to say this? Right? This
The हुई.
with
Hmm.
silent. हाँ को तो बोलना ही नहीं है फिर.
The हुई.
Yes, with
With.
with.
Okay.
Okay, 19 के लिए आप बताओगे मुझे.
The.
This,
The.
it's this. It's not
This.
this that.
This.
ये बोलते हैं ना, this is my pen. This one is the this actually.
Hmm. This. What do we call nine?
No,
Nuff.
this no.
This.
Okay. तो उसके बाद 20 के लिए तो आपको मैंने बता दिया तो उसके बाद 20 30 एक्सेट्रा याद कर लोगे तो सारे नंबर्स कर सकते हो कि 999 सो 999 तक ये नंबर्स आपको हेल्प करेंगे प्लान के लिए. आफ्टर दैट एक दो तीन और डिजिट्स हैं उन्हें याद रखना होगा और उसके बाद थाउजेंड्स लैक्स तक जा सकते हो राइट. तो अभी के
Hmm.
लिए इतना रखते हैं राइट.
Mm-hmm.
For example, if I want to write 21, if I know 20 and 1 also, so how would I write 21?
Mm.
Like where.
Mm-hmm.
एंड यहाँ पे एक्सेप्शनली एक ए लगाना पड़ता है सेपरेशन ऑफ वॉवेल्स एंड और इज वन राइट 21 दिस ए मींस एंड. सो ये एक्सेप्शनली 21 31 41 में इस तरह से लिखना है. सो थॉट ए और
Mm-hmm.
राइट
Mm-hmm.
सिंपल 41
Mm-hmm.
काहोंत. अब आप गेस भी कर सकते हो कोई और सही हो गया
Oh, okay.
आप बोलो 51 काहोंत एता.
A.
इसको लिएजो कर देते हैं मिक्स हो जाता है साउंड एता एता एता. ठीक है.
Okay.
So 20 étant, 30
Mm-hmm.
étant, 40 étant, 50 étant, and 61, 60 étant.
Okay.
Okay, apart from that, ठीक है. So how would I say now 22 etc. You know more details. तो अभी बता रहा हूँ आपके पास. So
Mm-hmm.
देखो अब मुझे बोलना है like if I know 22, how would I say 22? 22 is basically 20 plus 2.
2.
So 20 is where
Okay.
and 2 is the.
The.
Okay, 23. 20 plus 3. You know where. So
Right.
just formality VQ VC right VS सब लिख लोगे VS VH VN where not where we where set where sees where sign where can't.
Hmm.
Simple. So till
Okay.
29 it's working. For 30 I have told you it's thought.
Mm-hmm.
So 31 के बाद लिखें. इसमें भी कुछ नहीं करना है. It's just 32. It's 30 plus 2.
So,
It's like thought do.
Thron. How do you pronounce it? Thron.
Thought do. Thought do.
Throth. The.
Yes, the is 2, throth is 30.
Okay.
Throth do. Acha, how do you say 33 now? 30 plus 3. So,
Thron
yeah,
and Thron. Thrace.
through. Right? Through.
Through.
Okay, so throth through would be TT. Throth through.
Mm-hmm.
If I want to write 39, for example, it would be 30 plus 9.
Mm-hmm.
Throth enough.
Hmm.
For 40, you know, kahont. So if I want to write 42, would be like writing 40 plus 2. So quarante deux QD.
Mm-hmm.
It's so easy, so simple. Just need to learn from number from 1 till 16. 0 से यहाँ से from number 0 till 16 you have to remember.
नहीं, एक्चुअली द प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज ऑल्सो डिफरेंट, इसीलिए थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है.
हाँ, मैं समझता हूँ बिल्कुल आपको. बिल्कुल ही ये शॉक जैसा लग रहा होगा फ्रेंच, ये कितना कुछ डिफरेंट है, आई नो दैट. बट
या.
अगर फर्स्ट क्लास में भी इतना समझ में आ रहा है ना तो इट्स सफिशिएंट, यू आर गुड, लाइक यू आर गुड टू गो. सो
ओके.
जीरो और द ये आप पढ़ पा रहे हो, बोल पा रहे हो, अल्फाबेट समझ पा रहे हो, यही तो है बेसिक. यही से तो स्टार्ट करना है.
ओके.
और लाइक वंस यू आर डन विद दीज, और ट्रिक्स टिप्स तो मैं बताते ही रहता हूँ क्लास में कि कैसे इसको और इजी करना है. So वो that's not a that big difficulty. बस अभी ये होगा कि चीजें बहुत स्ट्रेंज लगेंगी, कंप्लीटली स्ट्रेंज साउंड कर रही होंगी. मैं समझ रहा हूँ बिल्कुल. मैं पूरी तरह से समझता हूँ कि फोनेटिक्स बिल्कुल ही अलग है. आप कुछ ज्यादा कंपेयर नहीं कर पा रहे होंगे इससे. लगता है कि स्क्रिप्ट है, बट थिंग्स आर वेरी मच rather more differences, very less similarity. तो अगर सिमिलैरिटी की बात करूँ तो केवल दिखने में सिमिलर है.
ओके.
लेकिन जब पढ़ने की बात करते हैं, जब when you speak it, when you learn the grammar, there is a huge differences. तो अगर इंग्लिश से सीख रहे हो तो it would be like 15% आपको हेल्प मिलेगा. 1 5
ओके.
85% फिर भी you have to learn it.
ओके.
तो मान लो कि अगर कोई हिंदी स्पीकर है तो हो सकता है उसको that 15% का हेल्प would not be there to learn the French. But English speaker will get that 15% percent assistance, like knowing some of the words already, which are inspired from the Latin language for the English and French. That the my minuscule help you can get from English, but it's not only dependent on English. 85% is 80% is a different thing altogether, strange, different new thing.
So do you provide study materials as well?
Yes, yeah, let me show you that. The book we are referring is the Cosmopolis, very popular book, everyone knows this book, all
Okay.
those who learn. So this book to everyone, and this is my favorite book personally. Uh, this I have all the books, all the exercise books, and the audios on the same. Like if I refer this Cosmopolis A1 to C, here you'll open this doc, you'll be getting some, the main book here.
Mm-hmm.
Method de France, the main book is in high quality, so it's full HD. You don't even bother to read it. It would not be difficult to read it, of course. So सारी चीजें
Oh.
टेक्स्ट अच्छे क्वालिटीज में है. यहाँ पे है वर्कबुक ऑफ द सेम. So workbook is the book basically based on the same, the main student's book. So एक बार
Mm-hmm.
we are done with that book, just come back and just go through the activity book. So if for example if I have taught one unit into it, like for example ये unit मैंने पढ़ा दिया, let me download it. It's a little big file.
Mm-hmm.
173. Okay, on the same book we have this website link. I'll be sharing you to your intro. You can listen to all the audios references from the book. So book में there would be written just audio number 3, audio 4, audio 10, audio 13, audio 197. कुछ भी लिखा
Mm-hmm.
होगा. You take reference from there and you can even listen to all the audios given here from the textbook. Textbook के
Okay.
reference में these are the audios from the A1 book. So let me open the book also and show you how does it look. So this is the cover page. Let it be open. Yeah, you can see the cover page. This is the Cosmopolitan A1 book.
Mm-hmm.
यहाँ पे कॉस्मोपोलिट में सारे मतलब 4 कंपोनेंट्स जो भी हैं, स्पीकिंग, राइटिंग, रीडिंग, सारे कंपोनेंट्स कवर्ड हैं. आप एक सेक्शन उठा के देख लो. दोज ये वन फॉर एग्जांपल, नो अप्रेनो लो फ्रांसे पूर वी आर लर्निंग फ्रेंच for
Mm-hmm.
various regions. So यहाँ पे देखो dialogues first section, right? For each lessons there is first dialogue and then something that you need to know, right? Some how to present yourself, how to greet, something like that, how to say goodbye, etc. Some expressions. Then the
Okay.
section come of grammar, like comes of the grammar. So here you will be learning articles, pronouns, formal versus informal, question words, negations, verb, tenses, etc., etc. Prepositions, adjective, adverb, lot many things.
Mm-hmm.
In the lexic part, there would be some of the word meaning, expressions, etc. In lexic part. So lexic, of course, means vocab, based on theme-based vocab. For the
Mm-hmm.
from the here we'll be learning phonetics, how to read French text, जो मैंने आज आपको पढ़ाया फर्स्ट क्लास में.
Okay.
So today's lesson was mostly based on the saut du français, right? We learned how does French sound, right? So
Mm.
this was the theme for today's class, even though we have started with the very basic. So yeah, अब जब ये बुक को पढ़ते हो और फिर वर्कबुक को पढ़ते हो तो वर्कबुक के लिए देयर इज अनदर ऑडियो इसी लिंक पे देयर इज दिस लिंक यू क्लिक एक्टिविटी बुक एंड अगेन दिस hundreds of it rather 160 audios just for this activity book guided activity. तो दो
Okay.
डिफरेंट बुक्स हैं, दोनों बुक्स के ऑडियोज यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है. Once you are done with the themes you will be getting back to this kind of मेरे क्लासेस में like आप सब चीज मेरे से ही नहीं सीखोगे, बहुत सारी चीजें खुद से सीखोगे और
Mm.
ज्यादा पोर्शन आप खुद से सीखोगे. क्लासेस में मैं सिर्फ थीम्स पढ़ाता हूँ, टॉपिक्स पढ़ाता हूँ, ग्रामर पढ़ाता हूँ, आपको बोलना सिखाता हूँ. और स्टूडेंट बुक और एक्टिविटी बुक जो है, बेसिकली एक्टिविटी बुक ऐसा है जो मैं कुछ नहीं करता इसमें.
Mm-hmm.
इसके आंसर्स भी यहाँ पे आप डॉक में जाके डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. ट्रांसक्रिप्शन, लेक्सिक, वोकैब, सम ग्रामर एक्सेट्रा सारे डॉक्स अवेलेबल हैं. यहाँ पे किसी की हेल्प की जरूरत नहीं है
Okay.
एक्टिविटी बुक में. तो मैं एक्टिविटी बुक नहीं पढ़ाता. अगर
Mm.
आपको स्पेसिफिक इश्यूज नहीं है तो, अगर
Okay.
है तो आई टेक दैट, अदरवाइज जनरली आई डोंट. सो स्टूडेंट बुक में मैं पढ़ाता हूँ स्टूडेंट बुक्स की तरफ से, और जो थीम बेस्ड जो भी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, जो भी टॉपिक्स होते हैं, विल बी कवरिंग. So it's just A1. After that there would be A2, then B1, then B2. आप देख सकते हो सारे बुक्स यहाँ पे हैं. A1
Mm-hmm.
कंप्लीट करोगे, then go to A2, then come to B1, and then B2, then C1, then C2. So ये कोर्स में C1 C2 हमें नहीं करना है.
Mm.
We're just going to close this up here till B2
Okay.
with the test mock, etc. So I hope you are able to understand how exactly